morning from Okinawa, Japan on Okisubi's. Today we are at the 2023 Okinawa Car Fest. We got our booth set up here. Check out our booth and check out these cars. Let's go get some raffle tickets. Said these wheels won't fit a Subaru, but it'd be cool to have them anyway.
Sell them again.
Yeah, put them in the house. So here we are at the event, and so a lot of cars out here, a lot of makes and models. We have a lot of American cars here too, as I'll show you in a second, but I really want to focus in on these GTRs. So old Mazdas with their hood pops right now. We'll take a look at those. Some really high horsepower Supras over here. And then of course, I wouldn't say the leader, but you could call him the leader of the Subaru community. It's 2.1 liter stroker VAB car right here. Very nice setup. The owner's name's Daryl. He was up at 4 o'clock this morning cleaning his car for the event. Some American muscle too that we can check out before we go and check out the GTRs is this nice Chevy Chevelle. To have a car like this on the island is really difficult to maintain just because of all the rust that accumulates from here in Okinawa. You definitely got to be on top of washing your car. This is your Chevelle? Oh, it's not? I've been following it. Oh, yeah, make sure no one sits in it, starts it up. Okay. Yeah, it finally made it. I know it's been in the body shop for a while. It's been getting restored. It's done. Like even like this small stuff's been replaced. Like that's really cool. Oh, wow, look at this thing. This is like one of those old cars you've seen like Ip Man or something. Though that was in China, this is still cool. Mazda 3-wheel truck. Wow. It's got like era matching bottles, bikes, chairs. Really cool. Mazda. Look at this thing. Was that a rear-wheel drive Legacy with a 350Z rear end? Turbocharged H6? Oh man. Ah, this guy, he perfected the Sharpie paint job. That's sick. Look at that. Okay. Here's the big money. It's probably worth like half the cars here. Look at this thing. Look how fat this tire is. Good, nice. 245, 40, 15. Because it's a 15 inch, that's why it looks so huge. 245. This is a GTR, guys. One of the original Skyline GTRs. It's like $1 million car. Got ITBs on it. Wow. The oldest car here at this place, we actually know the owner of the car. It's a 1938 Cadillac. Come check this thing out. The owner is retired military, bought it for himself as a retirement gift. Designed 1938, split window. Look at that. It's got like a claymore. Just so people don't run in the back of them, you explode. Oh, this is pretty cool. So for Honda fans, I'm a Honda fan. I got a Honda tattoo right here. Check this out. See that little Honda right there? I started off with Hondas.
Taking the fan with you? Oh, okay.
Look at this thing. That's crazy. Wow. Excuse me, what year is this?
93?
93.
Yeah,
Gorgeous car.
appreciate it. Thank you.
1993 Honda NSX. Look at this. Check this out, guys. This is a Japanese anime. It's called One Piece. They just released a live action version on Netflix. I'm not advertising for these guys. I'm just letting you know what I do, okay? And I watch some of that kind of stuff, and that's really good. It's a really good one. I watched the whole thing. This right here, guys, they call this the poor man's GTR. You can even see it's got the GTR wheels on it. So this comes with the RB26. It's called a Stagia. It's the station wagon with the GTR engine in it. Really cool car. If I was to become a Forester guy, I like the Subaru with the power, but I also like to have space in the back. So I would actually more than likely buy a Stagia over a GTR. Price point's there, and it's got the same capabilities with the RB26. You can it's pretty much a GTR with the station wagon shell on it. Really cool car. What's up, guys? How you doing? Man, oh man. Come on, Austin, where are your no votes on your car yet? They don't know about your car, that's what it is. You need to go get that microphone and tell people what you got. That's humongous, Tyler. Good night. Oh, it's got a vote on this one. That's cool. Oh, boys, look at this. The Honda Accord Mugen Edition. It's the Euro Spec R with the Recaros. See what engine is in this thing. Well, it's got the H22, boys. H22A. So this is this is like the big block of Hondas, the H22. Wow, that's really cool. I know you're here for Subarus, but check this thing out. Crazy. From here, the DC2s, Integras, these wheels, pretty cool. It's really cool. The Bale side is heading out right now.
Those aren't even the nice ones. He has the real Bell.
almost positive that he won the car show here. They were doing a vote where you come in, everybody's got an index card on their windshield, and you put a vote using a sticker. So while he's heading out, he's probably letting his engine warm up right now. So it's a pretty good turnout today. Quite a few people came out. I mean, hundreds, probably thousands. Honestly, I couldn't keep track of how many people kept coming in. Here it is. This is it. Go burn out. I know you guys are here for the Subies, but that's cool. That's pretty cool. So yeah, it's starting to rain. It rained already twice, so we're gonna go ahead and shut down. But great turnout today. A lot of people came by. We had a really good turnaround when it comes to selling our merchandise. A lot of the stuff that we have here. We got a lot of custom stuff with our names on it. But then we have the merchandise. If you missed us, you can buy that online too. So we have okisubies.com. You can contact us on Instagram, Facebook, and we can ship it to you. International shipping is something that we offer. It's been a long day. Been at this for a little while, so we're gonna go ahead and shut down and head out. But one thing that I could say that I pulled away from this event was that when we come together, it's special. It's really cool. Online, there's a lot of heat, a lot of beef, but when you can see the person's build and what they put time and effort into their cars in person, it really makes a difference. Really means a lot. So I really enjoyed hanging out and talking with all these guys, seeing their passion, seeing what they built, and just getting to hang out with them. Kind of suffer together with the rain and the heat. But yeah, thanks for tagging along. We'll see you for the next one. We got rained out of the car show, and so we had to wait a couple days until Customs Night. So once a month, third Saturday of the month, we have this meetup at American Village, and here's where we gather together. It's called a hard park. Everybody just comes and parks their cars and checks everybody out and say what's up with yours and what's up with mine, and they do that kind of stuff. Here at this place is where we're going to be doing the trophy ceremony. Here's that Chevelle. You remember that Chevelle from the car show? So more than likely he won something, so he's here. I think maybe American Classic, I think that's what he got. Oh, best import is what he got, because we're in Japan, right? So that's an import, guys. So best import. So what we're doing right now is we're gonna be heading over to the Cube, waiting for all the cars to roll through. Kevin got best Subaru, so he's gonna be the award-winning Okisubi's Legacy. You're gonna check that out right now. This is JDM Classics right here, man. Wild.
Legacy won best Subaru. So it's got a lot of different modifications to it, rear wheel drive, angle kit. We got a video, a bunch of videos, like 4 videos on exactly what we did and how we did it. So check it out.
We did it.
Put that trophy underneath the hood.
So this is it. This is what we came here for. We're gonna cut the camera now, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of Customs Night. But thanks for checking us out. Thanks for supporting us. Even the community likes this Subaru. That's pretty cool. It's really, really encouraging. Have a good night.